welcome to my channel. This is DY Sierra 2500 HD bringing to you another update on my truck. It's a 20-inch 5-row light bar that is 13,000 lumens. Mick Tuning actually let me have the honors of testing it. So, as further ado, I will show you guys the install and the review as I come back. And we're back, YouTube. I did go get the 20-inch light bar installed tonight, as you can tell. Well, not yet. As you can tell, this is from inside the cab. That's just my headlights shining onto the garage. That's just headlights. I'm going to shut the headlights off. And that right there is my 20-inch light bar with the light pod bar things on the front end. Now let's go outside and look at the light bar itself. As you can tell, it does put off pretty good brightness. And we went up high, which kind of iffy about, because since right there is where I'll be sitting, and right there is where we put the light bar behind the grill. As you can tell, it's actually behind the grill. But that's about it. We did how you put the light bar behind the grill is we had to pop the hood. There's like a plastic shield piece, whatever you want to call it. You have to take the push tabs out and take that piece off. And there's 4 bolts, which is, there should be one like right here, and it just keeps going down. You take them off, and then it just all clips that holds this whole thing on. So you just pop that out, and then you get to that. And it's time consuming if you guys are first time doers and you want to do it yourself. It took us about 2-3 hours, maybe 3.5. That's about it for now. So if you like this light bar, which is the 5-row light bar by Mick Tuning, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and go check out Mick Tuning's light bars if you want to purchase them. As you can tell, I did for that one and them too. And that is it for now.